all, welcome to a brand new, seriously awesome edition of Red Carpet. Today we are going to see a little bit about this movie that's going to release on 9th of May. The whole country and even film fanatics over the world are super excited for the release of superstar Rajinikanth's Kochariyan, which is a 3D motion capture animated period film.
लोगों का दुख दर्द समझने वाले शूरवीर.
The movie is directed by superstar's daughter herself, Soundarya Rajinikanth Ashwin. The movie's story has been scripted by popular director K.S. Ravikumar. Cinematography of the film is by Rajiv Menon, and the music that we are all going gaga over is by the Mozart of Madras, Oscar winner A.R. Rahman. Along with superstar acting in this movie are Sharath Kumar, Shobana, Deepika Padukone, Rukmani, Nasir, Adi and Jackie Shroff.
ये कोचरियान अपने देश और देशवासियों की रक्षा के लिए जन्मा है.
The magnum opus Kochariyan is made on a budget of 125 crores. The movie is produced by Media One International and Eros International. This high-budget magnum period saga is being made in 9 different languages: Tamil, Hindi, Telugu, Punjabi, and even Japanese. After the release and super success of Endiran in 2010, superstar Rajinikanth dialed his favorite director K.S. Ravikumar to discuss about a project that he was very concerned about. In the year 2007, Rajinikanth with his daughter started on the project of Sultan the Warrior, and due to many reasons the project really didn't take off. So immediately came director K.S. Ravikumar to rescue, brought his team of assistants and worked on a story to bring back to life Sultan the Warrior. Just 15 days it took for K.S. Ravikumar to present a very amazing story to the superstar, and superstar was mind blown. Superstar Rajinikanth was extremely thrilled with the story K.S. Ravikumar had and decided to make Rana. During the shooting of Rana, superstar fell very ill, and one unfortunate incident led to another. But we are all aware of the willpower and the determination of the superstar and the love of all his fans, and that is how they decided to start fresh and make Kochariyan. All that we hear from K.S. Ravikumar now is that Rana's story is very different from Kochariyan and what we're about to see on screen. He has told us that the name Kochariyan is inspired from Lord Shiva and also draws slight inspiration from the very popular great Pandya ruler Kochariyan Ranadhiran. This dream ambitious project of superstar and his daughter Soundarya Rajinikanth has been facing a lot of delays and hardships, mainly because of its budget and also because of the technicalities involved in this magnum opus. So we all know that Rajinikanth is a spiritual person. He definitely took some help from numerology and made slight changes in the spelling of its title. The very gorgeous Deepika Padukone is the lead actress of the film, and did you know she charged 3 crore rupees for just 2 days of shoot? And this project apparently excited her a lot because the 2 days of shoot that she had to participate in, she had to be there without makeup. Deepika Padukone expressed an interest in dubbing this movie herself in Tamil, but due to date problems she could not do it. And we also get to know that all you Hindi Bollywood fans out there, you will not be hearing her voice even in the Hindi version of Kochariyan. This movie would be a great reason for celebration for all fans of yesteryear movies. The great comedian late Nagesh will also be a part of the star cast in this movie. The team has used high-resolution pictures of comedian Nagesh and brought him back to life for us on screen here in Kochariyan. So far, it's confirmed that superstar Rajinikanth will be lending his voice in the Tamil, Telugu and Hindi versions of Kochariyan. And boys and girls, if you are lucky, you never know, superstar might agree to lend his voice in the other versions too.
तो बाहर से ही नहीं, भीतर से भी कोचरियान है।
वही खून है, तो वैसा ही होगा।
Kochariyan is expected to release in 6,000 screens. This is going to be massive. At the moment, 3,850 screens have been confirmed. This is huge for us because it beats even Jackie Chan's record of having a worldwide release of this scale. Trade pundits involved are speculating the first week should garner for Kochariyan around 400 to 600 crores. One of the major highlights for all you fans in Kochariyan is going to be a very thrilling fight sequence between Rajinikanth and a shark. Also, another very dynamic sequence has been created of Rudra Thandavam, where we will see an elaborate, beautiful dance by Rajinikanth himself, which will be set to the tunes of the master A.R. Rahman. Kochariyan releases in both the formats 2D and 3D. Superstar Rajinikanth has a massive fan following across the globe, and one such fan close home is the Big B himself, Amitabh Bachchan. During the trailer launch of the Hindi version of Kochariyan in Mumbai, Amitabh Bachchan was absolutely stunned and made a statement saying that the 100 years of Indian cinema can be split into two, before Kochariyan and after Kochariyan. Fans of Rajinikanth, you have some more exciting news. If you'd like to have your very own Kochariyan on your mobile, the team has released two very interesting games, Rain of Arrows and Kingdom Run. From the trailers, you've seen that the visuals are absolutely spectacular. We definitely have to give a mention to the national award-winning fashion designer who has designed the costumes for all the stars in Kochariyan. Beautiful clothes have been designed by Nita Lula. 3D motion capture has been a challenge for the team at Kochariyan. Soundarya Rajinikanth Ashwin personally made a trip to China and created most of the parts using the technicians from China and all the high-end technology over there. So rest assured, we will be seeing some world-class entertainment.
अब तुझे कोई अवसर नहीं मिलेगा।
मेरी प्रिय महाराज, अवसर मिलते नहीं, पैदा करने पड़ते हैं।
Kochariyan captures the story of three kings, Rajinikanth, Jackie Shroff and Nasser. The story revolves around how these three generations war against each other. Kochariyan, played by Rajinikanth, will have him romancing the very beautiful and lovely Shobhana. Their son, again played by Rajinikanth, is Rana, who will be romancing his lady love, the absolutely stunning Deepika Padukone. Kochariyan goes to war against King Jackie Shroff. Their children, Rana and Adi respectively, will be warring in the second generation. Sharat Kumar will be playing the son to Nasser. And from the trailers, and like I said, we're going to see a grand Rudra Thandavam. So we can assume that Rana is a big dance enthusiast, and teaching him dance in this movie will be actress Rukmani.
ये युद्ध मेरे और राणा के बीच है।
All fans are excited about the visuals and the music of Kochariyan. Now, the album is hitting record sales, and everybody is excited about what they've just saw in the trailer. We have got to know that A.R. Rahman was one of the very few people who constantly supported Rajinikanth in his dream to make Kochariyan, and every small bit of the movie has been handcrafted musically by the great Mozart of Madras. A.R. Rahman has given us 9 beautiful songs in the album.
देखिए, मेरे देश के रथ, गज, अश्व और पैदल सेना।